Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Sezzle BNPL. Review my usage experience. Sezzle BNPL Review My Usage Experience offers a buy now, pay later BNPL service. It's aimed at consumers who want to spread the cost of purchases over time, typically for interest-free installments. Key features include integration with various online retailers and a user-friendly interface for managing payments. Their website provides details on supported merchants and payment schedules. Sezzle's positioning emphasizes ease of use and transparent pricing. They advertise no hidden fees, though interest may accrue on late payments, and the website clearly outlines the payment plan terms. The application process seems straightforward, and the service is readily available to those who meet their creditworthiness requirements. You can check eligibility directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Sezzle. Getting started was a breeze. I signed up in under 5 minutes, linking my bank account and confirming my identity. The interface is clean and intuitive. I could easily see my upcoming payments, past purchases, and overall account balance. I recently used Sezzle to purchase a new pair of headphones from a participating online store. The checkout process was seamless. I simply selected Sezzle as my payment method and confirmed the 4 installment dates. The payments were automatically deducted from my bank account on the scheduled dates, which was really convenient. I had a quick question about a pending payment and their customer support responded promptly within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Everything is clearly laid out. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated payment system. One minor drawback was the occasional slight delay in payment confirmation. It wasn't significant, but something to note. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Sezzle. It's a useful tool for managing larger purchases without feeling the immediate financial pinch, as long as you're diligent about making your payments on time. That's my overview of Sezzle BNPL Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.